Eyes Closed Intermediate Tap Dance Lesson Tutorial. In this video, you'll learn a short combination to the song Eyes Closed by Ed Sheeran. Also, be sure to watch all the way through because I've got a free guide to the 3 biggest mistakes that intermediate tap dancers make. One of them you might not even know you're making, so you want to check out that free guide, totally free. Click on the link down below. If you're new here, I'm Rod from UnitedTaps.com, helping people just like you be happier and healthier through tap dance. Let's jump right in, shall we? Starting with the right foot, you have big toe, flap, big toe, flap, 5, 6, ready, go. 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and again. 6, ready, go. 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and. From here, stamp, heel stamp, spank, step, step. Again, the next part, stamp, heel stamp, spank, step, step. Super, let's connect it from the top. 6, ready, go. 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and 5 and 7 and 8. Why, yes, we'll roll that again from the top. 6, 5, 6, ready, go. 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and 5 and 7 and 8. One more time. 6, ready, go. 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and 5 and 7 and 8. From here, repeat the beginning, but start it on the left foot. 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and, followed by stamp, shuffle, step, stamp, shuffle, step, stamp. Again, the last part was 5 and a 6 and 7 and 8. Let's connect it from when the left foot leads on big toe, flap. 6, left foot leads, ready, go. 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and 5 and a 6 and 7 and 8. Let's do that a couple more times. Get comfortable with it. Same spot, left foot leading. 6, 5, 6, ready, go. 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and 5 and a 6 and 7 and 8. And one more faster. 6, 5, 6, ready, go. 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and 5 and a 6 and 7 and 8. Super, my friends. Let's go back to top and connect it all together. 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and 5 and 7 and 8. 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and 5 and a 6 and 7 and 8. How about we do it again? I think that's a good idea. From the top. 6, 5, 6, ready, go. 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and 5 and 7 and 8. 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and 5 and a 6 and 7 and 8. From here, your right foot's free. Double buffalo, flap, stamp, clap. Double buffalo, flap, stamp, clap. Well, yes, I'll show that again. 6, ready, go. A 1 and a 3 and 4 and a 5 and a 6 and 7 and. Same thing. 6, ready, go. Double buffalo, flap, stamp, clap. Double buffalo, flap, stamp, clap. From there, stamp, spank, step, stamp, spank, step, followed by dig, step, dig, step, stamp. I'm going to do that whole ending part again. That was stamp, spank, step, stamp, spank, step, dig, step, dig, step, stamp. Let's try it again, and I'll put some counts on it. 6, 5, 6, ready, go. 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and 5 a 6 and a 8 and. Super! Same thing. 6, 5, 6, ready, go. 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and 5 a 6 and a 8 and. Awesome. Let's go back and connect it from the double buffalo. Leading with the right. 6, 5, 6, ready, go. Double buffalo, flap, stamp, clap. Double buffalo, flap, stamp, clap. Stamp, spank, step, stamp, spank, step, dig, step, dig, step, stamp. Super! We're going to roll that again, but I'm going to do counts this time. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, a 1 and a 3 and 4 and a 5 and a 6 and 7 and 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and 5 a 6 and a 8 and. I bombed the count. A 5 and a 6 and a 5 and a 7 and 8 and. Those are the proper counts of the second buffalo. A 5 and a 7 and 8 and. Well, hot dog, now we got it figured out. Let's roll it again from that first double buffalo on the right. 6, ready, go. A 1 E and a E and a 3 E and 4 and a 5 E and a E and a 7 E and 8 and 1 and a 2 E and 3 and a 4 E and 5 E, a 6 and a E and 8 and. Beautiful. Congratulations, you know it all. We're going to go back and connect it from the top and put it all together. But before we do, if you're having a good time, please hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And take a quick moment to leave a comment down below. Anything helps us, even one word. Hey, thanks, Rod. Appreciate anything you can leave us. So I'll give you a second to leave that comment now. Awesome. Thank you so much. Also, don't forget to click on the link down below to get our free guide to the 3 biggest mistakes that intermediate tap dancers make. As I mentioned before, one of them is a really common one I hear all the time, and very often the students don't even realize that they're doing it. Right? So you want to have this, be aware of these things so you can fix them, and then you can sound better and enjoy your tap dancing even more. So click on that link below to get the free guide. Okay, let's go top all the way through, putting the pieces together. You got this. 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and a 2 E and 3 and a 4 E and 5 and a E and 7 and 8, 1 and a 2 E and 3 and a 4 E and 5 and a 6. Here comes Buffalo. A 1 E and a E and a 3 E and 4 and a 5 E and a E and a 7 E and 8 and 1 and a 2 E and 3 and a 4 E and 5 E, a 6 and a E and 8 and. Let's talk about the transition from the first half into the second half. The first half ends 5 and a 6 and 7 and 8, then a 1 E and a 3 and 4 and. Let's practice that transition from the end of the first half into the second half so it runs smooth. 6, ready, go. 5 and a 6 and 7 and 8, a 1 E and a 3 and 4 and. Same spot. 6, ready, go. 5 and a 6 and 7 and 8, a 1 E and a 3 and 4 and. You know we're going to do that one more time. Yep, right now. 6, ready, go. 5 and a 6 and 7 and 8, a 1 E and a 3 and 4 and. That should help smooth out that connection. Let's go back one more time, top all the way through without music. Then after that, we'll put some music on and have a whole lot more fun. Top, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and a 2 E and 3 and a 4 E and 5 and a E and 7 and 8, 1 and a 2 E and 3 and a 4 E and 5 and a 6 and 7 and 8, a 1 E and a 3 and 4 and a 5 E and a 6 E and 7 and 1 and a 2 E and 3 and a 4 E and 5 E, a 6 and a E and 8 and. Cool! Let's put it with music. This is designed to go to the song Eyes Closed by Ed Sheeran, and I'm starting at 1 minute and 48 seconds into the song. We're going to start about 10% under real tempo to get comfortable with it, and then I'll boost you up to real speed over time. All right, my friends, let's do this.
Life just goes
5, 6,
so I'm
7,
dancing
8.
with my eyes closed. Everywhere I look, I still see you. Time is moving so slow. I don't know what else that I can do, so I'll keep dancing with my
All right, we're getting the feel. We're getting the feel. It's more fun with music, but I know it's a little adjustment. So let's run it a couple more times at this slower speed so you get as comfortable as possible with it. Here we go.
Now you're gone. Life just goes
5, 6,
so I'm
5, 6,
dancing
7,
with
8.
my eyes closed. Everywhere I look, I still see you. Time is moving so slow. I don't know what else that I can do, so I'll keep dancing with my
Super! One more time at the slower speed, then I'm going to push you a little bit. Here we go. One more time. Make this your best run at minus 10%.
Now you're gone. Life just goes
5, 6,
so I'm
7,
dancing
8.
with my eyes closed. Everywhere I look, I still see you. Time is moving so slow. I don't know what else that I can do, so I'll keep dancing with my
All right, let's boost it to about minus 5%. Roughly 5% jump. You'll feel it. but hopefully it won't be too bad. Hopefully, here we go.
Now you're gone. Life just goes
5,
on.
6,
So I'm
7,
dancing with
8.
my eyes closed. 'Cause everywhere I look, I still see you. Time is moving so slow. I don't know what else that I can do. So I'll keep dancing with my
Yeah, not too bad. Like you see, you can feel it's a little quicker, but it's not crazy. Again, that same speed, minus 5%.
Now you're gone. Life just goes
5,
on.
6,
So I'm
7,
dancing
8.
with my eyes closed. 'Cause everywhere I look, I still see you. Time is moving so slow. I don't know what else that I can do. So I'll keep dancing with my
Yeah, then 4, my overachievers. We're going all the way up to real speed. Good luck. I think you can do it. Let's see what happens, shall we? Hopefully good things. Hopefully good things.
Now you're gone. Life just goes
5,
on.
6,
So I'm
7,
dancing with
8.
my eyes closed. 'Cause everywhere I look, I still see you. Time is moving so slow. I don't know what else that I can do. So I'll keep dancing with my
Beautiful. Let's hit it one more time at that real speed. I know it's pushing a bit, but you can do it.
Now you're gone. Life just goes
5,
on.
6,
So I'm
7,
dancing
8.
with my eyes closed. 'Cause everywhere I look, I still see you. Time is moving so slow. I don't know what else that I can do. So I'll keep dancing with my
Beautiful. I'm going to do it one more time facing you so you can see what it looks like from the front. Before I do, if you haven't already, hit that like, subscribe, notification bell, and drop a comment. I'll give you a second if you haven't done it yet. Thanks so much. And don't forget to click on the link below to get that free guide to the 3 biggest mistakes that intermediate tap dancers make. All right, here we go. Facing the camera.
Life just goes on. So I'm dancing with my eyes closed. 'Cause everywhere I look, I still see you. Time is moving so slow. I don't know what else that I can do. So I'll keep dancing with my
Awesome. Again, thank you so much for tapping with me. I hope you had a great time. At UnitedTaps.com, we have so much more content. We have a huge intermediate tap dance lesson series, like 12 hours of tapping. We've got intermediate across the floor combinations, practice exercises, tap dictionary, tap workout, packages, choreography, just a ton of different great stuff. And you can find it all at UnitedTaps.com. Thank you for tapping with me. I, of course, am Rod Howe from UnitedTaps.com, making you happier and healthier through tap dance.